as a soft glow of fairy lights fill our homes and the scent of pine and cinnamon rings drifts through the air. Christmas gently knocks on our hearts again. A season of warmth, hope, and giving, not just gifts, but love and creativity. Today we are going to explore something truly magical, how simple recycled things can turn into beautiful Christmas decoration. We will discover the stories behind this tradition, create art and purpose, and learn a lesson that reminds us beauty is not in what we buy, but in what we create with love. Long before glitter and plastic ornaments filled the store shelves, people decorated with what nature offered in ancient times. Evergreen branches symbolized eternal life during the cold winter. People in Europe, especially in Germany, hung apples, nuts, and candles on trees, symbols of hope for spring returns. Then, in the 1800s, Queens Victoria and Prince Albert popularized the Christmas tree in England, decorating it with handmade crafts, cookies, ribbons, and paper stars. Every piece told a story of family, faith, and joy. So when we make our own decoration today, from paper jars or wood, we are counting a beautiful tradition that started centuries ago. We are connecting to history, creativity, and the warmth of human hand. Now, let's dive into some beautiful eco-friendly decoration ideas you can make at home using recycled things, cheap, creative, and full of heart. Let's talk about jar lantern. Take old glass jars, clean them, and wrap them with jute, lace, or old fabric. Add pine cones or cinnamon sticks for a rustic feel. Drop in a candle or fairy lights, and your cozy Christmas lantern is ready to glow in your window. Cardboard Christmas tree. Instead of buying a plastic tree, cut shapes from leftover cardboard boxes, paint them green, sprinkle some glitter, and attach small ornaments or paper stars. You can even write family wishes on each layer, turning it into a tree or dreams. Bottle snowman. Use old plastic bottles, paint them white, draw cute faces, wrap a piece of red cloth as a scarf, and glue buttons on. Place them by your entrance. They will make everyone smile before entering your home. Pine cone ornaments. Collect pine cones from nature walks. Paint their tips white, gold, or silver. Tie a ribbon loop to hang them on the tree. Simple, natural, and timeless. Recycle fabric gardens. Use old cloth or fabric scraps. Cut them into strips and tie them on a string. This colorful garland looks beautiful around window or walls, carrying a memory in each piece of cloth. Use old magazines or newspaper, fold and cut snowflakes, then hang them with threads near the light. The pattern dances in the air, reminding us how creativity can transform the ordinary into wonder. Each of these crafts tells a story of care, creativity, and conscious living. Christmas is about waste or spending. It's about giving meaning to what we already have, turning simplicity into beauty. When we recycle, we give new life to old things. Just like Christmas gives new light to our hearts every year. A jar becomes a lantern, a cardboard box becomes a tree. A simple act becomes art. And through it all, we learn a quiet truth. When we create with love, even the smallest things can shine like a star. Did you know that every country celebrates Christmas differently and often the handmade traditions? In Mexico, families make pinatas shaped like stars to celebrate joy. In Philippines, they craft beautiful petals lanterns made from bamboo and paper. In Sweden, straw and natural decorations fill the homes, symbolizing simplicity. And in Germany, handmade wooden ornaments are still part of every home's pride. Everywhere you will find one common thing: hand creating joy. So wherever you are, your recycled crafts becomes part of a global celebration. A reminder that art and kindness connect us all. Let me share a little story. Once there was a small girl named Lily who wanted a big shiny Christmas tree. Her family could not afford one that year, so she went outside, picked up a stick, paper, and bottle caps, and made her own tree. When her parents saw it, their eyes filled with tears, not of sadness but pride. That night, under the twinkling lights, Lily's little handmade tree looked more beautiful than any store-bought one, because it was made from love, effort, and imagination, the real spirit of Christmas. So this year, when you create your decoration, whether from jars, wood, or old cloth, remember Lily's tree. You are not just decorating a home, you are decorating your heart. As we end today's journey, take a look around you. Maybe the magic you are searching for is already in your hands, waiting to be transformed. So let's celebrate the Christmas with purpose. Recycle